loss system.
Alright, my name is Ryan, and I'm from Blythewood, South Carolina. And look, I can run up the stairs. I'm almost 500 pounds. Alright, if I trip on the stairs now, the only bad thing is it hurts because I don't roll.
My name is Davin. I lost 1,000 pounds. I'm from Blythewood just like Ryan. And I can bend my knees, man. I can do it again.
Yes. Please. No, I don't.
Go.
Oh, my name is Marcus. I was using Weight Watchers for like 5 years, so look what I can do.
What?
I'm Braden Young, and I made this product, the weight loss system, for these fat people right here to get skinny. Now, I discovered this product 5 years ago using lifelong guidelines like responsibility and caring for others. Now, these 3 people that I enjoyed watching movies with. Now, come on down here. Oh, God.
He lost 500 pounds, I lost 1,000 pounds.
And I lost 38. Apparently, he forgot how to walk on the stairs while he was fat.
Okay.
Squat! Now this proves my system works. Look how this strapping young lad has squat now. Squat! Bend your knees.
I'm Maddie!
There you go.
I hurt my arm.
Woo, that was